Today I'm going to teach you how to design a contact form mockup in Figma. This is a fundamental skill for creating user interfaces and presenting your design ideas professionally. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start by opening your Figma application. Once you've launched it, navigate to the file where you want to design your contact form mockup. This could be an existing project or a new file you've created specifically for this purpose. Now look at the bottom of your screen for the rectangle tool and click on it. Drag the rectangle onto your frame. This rectangle will serve as the main container for your contact form, essentially acting as the boundary that holds all your form elements together. Next, head over to the right side panel and click the minus icon beside fill to remove the default fill color. Then click the plus icon beside stroke to add an outline instead. This creates a clean outlined container that defines your form area without overwhelming it with a solid background. Now let's add some visual interest. Click the action icon at the bottom of your screen and select Plugins and Widgets from the menu. From the options that appear, click on Unsplash. This plugin provides access to high-quality free images, though you can certainly upload your own if you prefer. In the search bar, type Contact and browse through the results. Once you find an image that fits your design vision, click on it to insert it into your frame. You'll want to resize this image to fit nicely within your design layout. With your background in place, it's time to add a heading. Click the text tool at the bottom and then click onto your frame. Type something like contact form to label your mockup. Make this text bold to ensure it stands out, and increase its size to create a clear visual hierarchy. Reposition it at the top of your form so it serves as a prominent title. Now we'll create the input fields. Click the rectangle shape at the bottom again and drag it onto your frame. This rectangle will function as your first input field. On the right side panel, adjust the corner radius to give it slightly rounded edges for a modern look. Then, just like before, click the minus icon beside fill and the plus icon beside stroke to create an outlined field. Click the text tool again and type full name. Adjust the text size to make it legible but not overpowering, then position it inside the rectangle. This creates your first labeled input field. Here's where Figma's duplication feature becomes incredibly useful. Select both the text and the rectangle together, then hold the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging downwards. This creates an exact duplicate of your input field. Change the label text to email for your second field. Duplicate the field once more using the same Alt-drag method. This time, adjust the rectangle shape to make it taller, since this will be your message field where users can type longer text. Update the label to read message. Finally, let's create the Submit button. Click the rectangle tool at the bottom and drag a new rectangle onto your frame. This time, change the fill color to blue to make it stand out as an actionable button. Adjust the corner radius to match your input fields for design consistency. Click the text icon at the bottom, type Submit, and drag this text inside your blue rectangle. Position it centrally to create a professional-looking button. And that's it. You've successfully designed a clean, functional contact form mockup in Figma that you can now use in your design presentations or as part of a larger website mockup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.